Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Mackie Capsule 03 Nano here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound and the feel of this little fella. But hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about these toys that I'm bringing to you, and I'll keep doing it, so if you like it, of course. So this guy comes with a classic Mackie box, some informations in the back. CP-03 Nano, 39 grams, we'll see about that. And here you got probably the tiniest toy that I have. Really tiny indeed. You can easily lose this piece of gear. Look at this. Let's quickly check the size on this fella. It's a square, so it's going to be 0.9. Actually, it's not a square. 0.98 and 0.90, so it's like a rectangular shape, and the thickness is going to be 0.42 inches, so very tiny indeed. This is, for example, not the Nano, it's the CP-03, and this is the CP-02. Look at this, that's pretty nice family shot. I wish I had these two in Zirk, maybe soon, who knows. But another couple sliders. For example, I've got the Tommy DC, that is the this is the fantastic Mahjong slider. This is the Armor Shield from Wanwu Studio. Another couple slider I got here, BTMCL, that is the gamer mixer, and this is the Shuffle from Lautier. And you want to see another couple, why not? Camera M, Wanwu Studio, and this is Argyle by Compoform. Fantastic toys, guys. Check out the reviews for those if you are interested. So this is the Capsule 03 Nano, which is basically the same thing as this fella over here, like 3 sections, same thickness, same material, same polishing, same fantasticness as the big boy, just in a smaller package. So you got these 3 little pieces over here, which are fully detachable. As you can see, you got a number on the inside, which tells you how many they have made, and also you have like this feature over here. But because you have like two lines of 2 magnets, it's not going to become like a clicker like the other one, but still you can move it on the other way, and on this side like that, you see, it just tends to repel like this way. So you see, it doesn't really work as a clicker unless you just keep it pressed. Otherwise, you see, it just wants to open up. So I wouldn't recommend to use it like that. Just use it as a slider like this. This is a tiny slider. There's just, like, you see, 1 and 2 steps, 2 states available in this one, so 3 overall. So 1 is closed, 1 is this one, and 1 is this one. Whereas in the other one you got more states and more playability, I think. But still, this is a fantastic one. Really nice sound. It's less noisy than the big one when you close it, and much different, more dampened sound. I have big hands, so probably I prefer the medium size compared to this one. I mean the regular size, not the Nano, but still I see this one selling really well because of the size. It's super cute, it's nicely made. It's a numbered edition. It's the Mackie Capsule Nano 03, and it's gonna fit any pocket, any bag. Like, you can actually risk to lose it because it's that tiny, but it's that cute. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.